Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing crispy garlic butter shrimp right at home. This recipe is super quick, absolutely packed with flavor, and honestly, it's even better than what you'd get at a restaurant. If you love easy and delicious seafood recipes, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. All right, let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of raw shrimp, peeled and devined. For our seasonings, we'll use half a teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. To get that perfect crisp, we'll add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. For the incredible sauce, you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 5 cloves of finely chopped fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. And if you like a little heat, grab half a teaspoon of chili flakes. First things first, wash your shrimp and pat them completely dry with a paper towel. Seriously, don't skip this step. It's the secret to getting that perfectly crispy texture we're all after. While those are drying, let's prep our other ingredients. Finally, chop your garlic and parsley and get your lemon ready to squeeze. Now, let's season the shrimp. Place them in a bowl and add the salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and flour. Give it all a good mix until every single shrimp is evenly coated. This is where the magic begins. Time to cook. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. As soon as that butter melts and starts to sizzle, it's time to add the shrimp. Place them in a single layer B. Careful not to overcrowd the pan, or they'll steam instead of fry. Let them cook for about 2 minutes on the first side until they're golden and crispy. Then, flip them over and cook for another 2 minutes. Once they're cooked through, remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. Now for that incredible garlic butter sauce. Lower the heat to medium and add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter to the same pan. Once it's melted, add your finely chopped garlic. Stir it gently for about 30 to 40 seconds. You just want it to become fragrant. Be careful not to let it burn, or it'll taste bitter. Return the crispy shrimp to the pan. Now, pour in the fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle in the chili flakes if you're using them, and add the freshly chopped parsley. Toss everything together for about 30 seconds, making sure each shrimp is completely coated in that beautiful, glistening garlic butter sauce. And there you have it. Look at this perfectly crispy garlic butter shrimp. They're juicy and tender on the inside, wonderfully crispy on the outside, and bursting with incredible flavor. You can serve this with so many things: over rice, tossed with pasta, alongside a fresh salad, or with some crusty garlic bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, or as a show-stopping party appetizer. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious meals. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.